Bullun mang Pu Chongthu Sitlhou guinu thu Pokai kum sang ni le som sewol ni sim ni hu hing ke ho pu thi to upa le pu to hin nau pa Sitlhou ka kun do na guinu thu hi ti hi chi jang lum song chunga ka ta lang ta we som dan ngai do la nau pan upa sating api gmail chi na kin pi jang lo pi ta en kan ta wi na hi upat dung zuin Pu Chongthu Sitlhou upa pen pu guite lam jang pan Pu thi to kai tha upapen pu dongel aisan pa akonin sating akisani pu dongel aisan pan pu to hin kai tha upapen pu kip gen le kot pa akonin sating akisani pu kip gen le kot pan apin ko pi pu hau kip cha sat pa akonin sating akisanin pu chong loi jang noi pa panga akonin jong pu kip gen le kot pan sating akisan tai pu hang sing wong jang pa panga le pu Sitlhou jam pi pa Thadou panjang ngai na dola pu kip gen le ko na sating asial honding hi hiti hin pathin pathe ebu tawin genealogical inscription of Pu Chongthu the great patriot we the descendants in the royal lineage of Pu Chongthu on this day 2nd August in the year of the Lord 2010 hereby inscribe on this stone the genealogy of our ancestry to mark the auspicious occasion setting P, a traditional obligation of the younger brother to perform the ritual of offering a portion of flesh on the spine of an animal to the elder brother has been solemnly observed. In order of seniority, Pu Guite of Lamjang, the eldest in the lineage of Pu Chongthu, received setting from Pu Dongel of Aisan, the eldest in the lineage of Pu Chito. Pu Dongel of Aisan received setting from Pu Kip Gen of Leikot, the eldest in the lineage of Pu Tohin. Pu Kip Gen of Leikot received setting from his twin brother Pu Hau Kip of Zasat and from their uncle Panga Pu Chongloi of Zangnoi. Pu Kip Gen of Leikot received setting from uncle Panga Pu Hang Sing of Wongzang and Pu Sitlhou of Zampi Thadou, his younger brother. So, bless us God, dated Hansip, the 7th September 2011. Dongal Bulpi Aisanpa.